Hello guys, this is Yueshen, and in this video I want to walk you through my quantitative portfolio analysis tool. I built this tool using Python and Streamlit and to solve a very common problem in financial analysis, which is the time-consuming process of manually aggregating historical data to assess portfolio risk. And let me show you the tool now. So this is the initial version of our applications, and we can see we have two segments of this application platform. And on the left, it is the input parameter sections, and on the right here is the output sections. And here we can enter the stock tickers we want to analyze, and also the benchmark tickers we want to compare with our stock, and the start dates and end dates. We can choose the time period that can help us to choose the time periods we want to analyze, whether it is a long term or short term. And also we can put our value at risk confidence levels here, and finally we can put the amount we want to invest here, and then we can just click the run analysis, and it will automatically show the result. And we can click run analysis, and then we can see the first version. In these initial versions, the first functions of this app it can automatically shows the historical price movements of the stock that we pick, and then just compare them in one graph. It is very convenient for us to see the price and how they affect to each other. And also the second functions right now is that we can do some risk analysis. Like it can automatically shows the annualized volatility and mean daily return and value at risk at the percentage we choose, at the confidence level we choose here, and then also the potential loss in the worst case based on our value at risk. And finally the tool performs a relative performance analysis. It normalizes the portfolio. We can see here it normalizes the portfolio data against the benchmark that you want to compare with. And like the S&P 500 here, is starting both at base 100. And this makes it instantly clear whether the selected assets are generating alpha or simply tracking the market. So in summary, this tool effectively transforms raw financial data into actionable risk insights in seconds, and automating what would typically take hours in Excel. And this is just version 1 of the project. I have some exciting updates coming soon, including correlation heat maps and Monte Carlo simulations to take the analysis to the next level. Please feel free to drop your suggestions or ideas in the comment sections, and I'd really appreciate your input.